Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please, if you are new to my channel and you are yet to subscribe, kindly touch on the subscribe button to subscribe and also click on the notification bell to enable you get a notification once I upload new video. In today's tutorial, we are going to be making a scrunchie or ruffles headband, and I'm going to use half yard of satin fabric for this headband. As you can see, I've already cut out what I'll be using for this headband, and here this is our ruffle side, and I'm using 7 inches width and the length is 54 inches. The second one is where I'll be inserting our elastic band. The length is 15 inches and the width is 3 inches. And the third one is for our ruffles design, and I'm using 14 inches length and 2.5 inches width. The elastic band I'm using is 1 inch width, and the length of the elastic will be 6 inches. So I will cut 6 inches out. This is it. So now I'm going to sew with 1/2 inch. You fold your fabric into 2. Like this. And I'm going to sew with 1/2 inch down to the length of this fabric, and also repeat the same thing on this second piece and also on the third piece also. And here is it, all sewn with 1/2 inch. So now I'm going to turn it inside out so that the right side will be outside. This is it. I've turned them to the right side. So now I'm going to get this elastic where I will be inserting elastic. Use my safety pin to hold elastic like this, then insert. This is it. Now I'm going to be inserting these 3 inches here inside these 7 inches. Hold this edge from pulling inside. Hold with office pin. This is it. And also hold this end with office pin to go to my machine and sew here to hold the 2 edges. This is it. Now you place elastic side on this 7 inches at the center of it. This seam line here will be facing up. Then fold from here and also fold from here. Fold from here and also fold from this angle. Then stitch with 1/2 inch. This is it. I've stitched them together with 1/2 inch. Now grab the other end. Still repeat the same thing. This seam line here will be facing up while this seam side will be facing down. Fold from here and also fold from here. This is it. I've joined the both sides together. Now you will pull it like this. Also pull this end. And here is it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, just touch on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. See you guys in my next class. Love you guys. Bye.